Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Coinrise Trading Report. My name is Jonas Lani, CEO of TFLOW, and today we're going to take a closer look at the market. So don't miss out on the latest news on the Coinrise site, and of course, for all of our analysis, videos, and articles, visit Price Analysis and Prediction section. As I told you, I'm CEO of TFLOW. TFLOW stands for Trade Flow, and TradeFlow is a company that creates trading algorithms, and we are preparing our platform where you will be able to connect your exchange and be able to follow our bots. We also have plenty of other services. Right now, our token is available on two exchanges, PancakeSwap and P2P B2B. It has given a 35% return on the investment from the start of April when we joined exchanges. And to know more about our TFLOW algorithm, which is actually the indicator which I'm using in the analysis in the video, you can visit our section here, TFLOW beta testing. So enough with this, and we go on to CoinMarketCap. Right now, the market stands at $978 billion, which is good actually. And 24-hour volume is at 70 billion. We saw a good rebound yesterday at the prices, and it was obvious on the trading view chart. I'm going to show you how to spot these reversals. Bitcoin dominance is at 37.8%, which is good. It leaves room to altcoins to grow. And right now, the price stands at $19,323 with a 24 high at $19,427. And Ethereum is the most impressive one, standing at $1,634 with a rise of 7.74%. Let's see who is actually the biggest gainer from yesterday. And it's actually Terra Classic with a 46.40% rise and 131% the last 7 days. And HNT follows with 35.78% rise. And EOS impressively stands at position 34, is at $1.71 with 22.25 rise just yesterday. So we leave CoinMarketCap and we are here at the Trading View platform just to take a look closely at the daily chart, and then I'm going to take you to at the triple analysis chart with the 5-hour, 2-hour, and 15 minutes. So we start with Bitcoin. At Bitcoin currently at $19,340. Still, it's on a short phase. You can see here, we have not seen a reversal on the daily chart, so we declare it still on a short phase. Let's go to Ethereum to see what is changing here. Ethereum is on a short phase, but as you can see, the MACD has reversed. So directly we go and change the arrow for the trend, and Ethereum at $1,636 is on a long mode right now. So let's move on with MATIC to check out what is happening with MATIC. MATIC at 0.8417 right now actually is, let's say, neutral, because as we can see here, it's just MACD and signal lines are just over zero. If they have not crossed over yet, we have a short signal. It's going to go, it's trying to go up. So actually, we're going to declare it as neutral because we don't see an obvious move, at least on the daily chart for MATIC. Let's go to Atom to see what is going here. Atom is on a slow uptrend for weeks now, and I always gave it as a long phase. Atom at $12.902 is going pretty well, and it's trying to go even higher. Let's go to Binance Coin to check out what's happening here. Binance Coin is just about to reverse, and I can declare it from now. As you can see, that it's on an uptrend because this is going to cross. It has a good line. As you can see, MACD and signal is on a good angle. So we are going to declare it as long. Binance Coin at $279.3. So let's go on to Solana. Solana again is on an uptrend on a long phase. So it's $32.59 for Solana. And we see on the daily chart that it's showing signs that it's going to go higher. AVAX is trying to go higher as well. So we are going to leave it on a long phase as well at $19.04. AVAX is on a long phase. So let's go to SAND. SAND is also on a long phase right now. We see that Actually, what you are seeing here from the TFLOW algorithm, let me explain. Long signal, then a signal to take profits from the long signal. So you close the position here, then a short signal and take profits. You close your short position here, and you see an effort of a reversal. So this is how the TFLOW algo helps you navigate through the market. So SANT at 0.990 cents is on a long phase as well. Let's go to VeChain to see what is going here with VeChain. VeChain actually is trying to reverse. It's not yet reversed. We're trying to see here a green column of the histogram, but it's not here VET. So VET at 0.02389, it's still on a short phase. On the daily chart, always going down to the 5-hour chart, 2-hour chart, and 15-minute chart, it's something completely different. It's for futures trading. We're going to see that later on. Phantom is still on a downtrend. Phantom at 0.2558. It's on a short phase still. Let's go to Mana to see what's going on with Mana. And Mana at 0.7676 actually is on a long phase right now. Let's turn the arrow and it's going up. So NEAR protocol, it's strong. It has strong moves. We like it as a coin. In our technical analysis, NEAR is going clearly on a long phase right now. As you can see, it has reversed and it may even produce a long signal shortly. Engine coin, not a lot of volume for Engine, but we are trying to see a reverse here since the short signal. We have two take profit signals for short, which means that the market may reverse. So actually for the short term on the daily chart, we are going to declare Engine at 0.525 in a long phase. And let's go down to EGLD. EGLD has also generated good moves for trading, but on the daily chart right now, we see again that EGLD has broken the trend line. It's trying to move higher, so we also declare it on the long phase as well here. Our arrow for EGLD, and let's go to THETA network to see what is going on here. THETA again is trying to reverse, but as you can see here, it doesn't have a lot of volume. We don't see any clear columns here in the MACD. So here it's flat. So I'm going to declare it as neutral. Because actually not everything is always long and short. This is why I'm introducing the neutral phase right now. So this is it for the daily chart. And let's go down to the interesting part now, is how to trade the market right now with the use of the TFLOW algo. So let's go down to Bitcoin. Right now, we can see that on the 5-hour chart, we have our short signal generating. I think it's the third take profit signal on the 5-hour chart. And we can see here the MACD is trying to reverse. Not only after we see MACD line going over, and we see here the histogram a good green column, and we see on the 2-hour chart that we can extend the Bollinger Band higher, then we will go long again on Bitcoin. And this is, I'm telling you this because on the 15-minute chart, we can see that this huge move from yesterday, actually right now we see the MACD that is trying to give us a re-entry, but this re-entry point here, which would be an ideal re-entry point, is not followed by such kind of green columns at the histogram. So that means that we don't have enough volume yet to pump. But we are going to wait to sit out this move to see when Bitcoin actually is going, the MACD is going to go on a good angle above signal line. Then we're going to join this move on a long signal. We're going to go long for the market for the short term. So this is for Bitcoin. So we are waiting for the MACD on the 15-minute chart to show us a clear sign that it's going up to enter on a long position. Same on Bitcoin right now. As you can see here on the 5-hour chart, we are a clear uptrend right now, and we need 3 more hours and 36 minutes to see the next candle. So when the next candle is actually green and we have the third column here going up and signal line also, then we are going to see that on the 2-hour chart. Actually, we can see a cup and handle here of the 2-hour chart. Here is a handle. We are going also long here on the 2-hour chart. Here we see that in the last 15 minutes, the last 2 hours, we are seeing pressure, a selling pressure, but this does not change the momentum. This is going up. So what we're going to do actually in Ethereum is we are going to wait till MACD actually goes above signal with a good angle, and then we enter for a long position. Be careful, don't rush into the market. Wait until you have a clear condition on each coin before you trade. Let's take a look at Atom, which is actually very good as well. So uptrend on the 5-hour, consolidation on the 2-hour, which means we must wait. And here again, we must wait for the MACD at the 15-minute chart to give us a good angle type, give us some good green columns here at the histogram. Not only after we see these green columns here and we see the MACD going up on the 15-minute chart, then we re-enter the move, the long position on our futures trading. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow at the last trading report of the week. Take care, everyone.